with the standard battery with a 10,000 kilovolt kV motor. Pretty quick even with the standard battery, to be fair with you. And I'll put the LiPo battery in after this one runs out and show the difference in performance. Pretty quick bit of kit though for £100. It's not bad. All I did was upgrade the motor to the 10,000 and obviously bought a LiPo battery and charger. Gives you quite a bit of fun actually, really. But if you imagine the LiPo battery is probably, it's just under twice the voltage of this one. So you have almost twice the power, twice the performance, twice the speed. I'm going to get 11 volt next. I've got to wait a little while though before I can get that. Oh, very robust as well. This is 1 in 24th scale. It's the short course truck. Great bit of kit though, ever so well built. Jumps really well. Great bit of fun, really.